Hi, I am Ace, Hochiki engineer. I am going to explain about troubleshooting maintenance trouble. Here, I have Latitude panel with me. So, let's start. Panel screen is now showing trouble notification. Let's take a look closer. You can see we have one trouble notification here, and general trouble indicator lamp is active. Now press Trouble tab. Trouble loop 1 address 7.0 has a maintenance trouble. At first, let's talk a little bit about sensitivity and contamination of smoke sensor. Over time, dust and other contaminants can build up in the chamber of a smoke sensor. As a result, increased sensitivity to smoke. Sensor illustration on the left is clean and required 2.5% per foot of smoke amount to activate fire alarm. Sensor illustration on the right, it required only 2.0% per foot, which not tally with default sensitivity value of 2.5% per foot set by programmer, hence maintenance trouble reported. Panel LCD will report, for this case, trouble loop 1 address 7.0 has a maintenance trouble. For maintenance trouble occurring with sensor contamination, the best way is to replace with new sensor with same model. If you are having in stock, replace it immediately, or else, please contact to nearest Hochiki office in your region. You can find detail at the end of this video. Hope this video helped, and you can drop us your questions to get guides from your nearest contact in our Hochiki group of companies. Thank you and see you on next video.